Let's go on with the example. That's because we have equilibrium. That we have only three forces, so we say summation F equal to A plus B plus W is equal to 0. Now, here we have, of course, we can write in equation. Of course, we can write summation Fx, summation Fy, and summation M. But because we have only three forces, that we can draw a force triangle. That we have a force triangle here. We have W here. We have B here. And then we have A here. Oops, sorry. And this is angle theta. Because we have only three forces, we can draw a triangle. From here, that things are easy. That things are quite easy because W over B is equal to tangent theta, which is equal to pi. Sorry, which is equal to pi. So B is equal to W over pi going to the right. And for A, of course, you can write. There are two ways to write A, and you can use sine theta to write A. But to me, I simply use this theorem. How do we say in Chinese this one? I've forgotten. And I mean this one. Now, because it is a right-angled triangle, so in the English it's Pythagoras theorem. So this is A squared is equal to B squared plus W squared. So A is equal to and W and plus 1, and this one is angle theta, and theta is equal to arctangent of pi. So this is A. So this is the end of the example. Any questions about this example? Because because we have only three forces here, so we have we have only three forces, and we draw a triangle here. And these are quite easy to do, right? if you have finished writing, take your time to write this, and after you have written this, go to the next page with integration. Of course, that there are many equations. There are many shapes that you cannot memorize all these equations, but you can always get the centroid by integration. So let's. I'm not sure whether it's. Any problem with this? Any problem with this question? And so also, if you have questions about exercise on chapter 4, chapters 4 and 6, you can ask me after the class. 第四、第六章有问题的话，到时候问我，下课后问我。Now, so let's go to the next page. Integration, 积分。So it is on page 250. Now, and we take an example here. We take an example here. It's a triangle. It is a triangle. Now, so we have a triangle of this is x and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now, and we have it is bound by it is there are three lines defining the triangle. This let's talk about this line. Let's talk about this line. So for this line, that what is the equation for this line? Y is equal to, of course, in I think in your junior high school that you have learned y equals to mx plus c, right? So here, what is how do we write this one? Y is equal to half of x, okay? Is that clear? Because when x equal to 1 is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0.5. So it goes through 0. So this is y is equal to half of x. And similarly, and of course that line, this line is y equal to minus 1/2 of x. Now we come to this. We say let's take one slice here. sorry, one slice 一小片哈。And usually, actually, when you say a slice of cake and bread, that we usually use slice 啊。So 蛋糕或者是面包一片也是 slice。No. So what's the area of what's the area? Sorry, I should mark the x-axis here. Sorry, x-axis is here. And for the sorry, for the area here, what's the area of this slice? It is equal to the let's say because it's a small slice, it is the area. Let's say it is dA. Okay. This is small area because it is the width. The width is here is dx. The width is dx and its distance from here is x. Okay. Width is 宽度嘛。Okay. And so the area is equal to half of x plus half of x times dx is equal to x dx, right? So this part is this height is equal to y is equal to half of x. And of course, this is the upper part is y is equal to x over 2, and the lower part is also y is equal to x over 2. Is that okay for you? Because the height of the height, this is the x, and then the x is the width. And let's say that density is V2 哈。Be rho. Let's say it is in kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram meter square. Sorry. So dW, the weight is equal to dW is equal to rho dA times G, which is equal to rho Gx dx. Remember, this is the area. The yellow part is the area. This yellow part is the area. And for now, we are talking about centroid. So let's say we have a point O here, and we have a pin support and O. Let's say we have a pin support at O. Let's say we have a pin support at O. So we talk about the moment of dW about O, which is equal to the moment is equal to the MO is equal to what? Moment is equal to moment arm times force. So moment is equal to moment arm times force. What is the moment arm? Moment arm is this part, and the force dW is here. Let's go up. Moment arm is X, and this is the force dW here. The MO is equal to X dot dW. Or is equal to rho G X squared dx. It's okay. Maybe I should I move it slightly to the left? X is this direction. X is to the right, huh? Now afterwards, that we consider the total moment about O. Because here, for this part, we only consider one slice. Here we only consider one slice. Consider I think I mentioned the last time. Consider a slice is here, everything here is considered a slice here, but we have many slices. So we have one slice here, we have one slice here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, and then here, and here, going to here. Okay? So here, how do we consider many slices? So we need to have integration. So we consider total moments about O. So it is, so we have, we put this thing here and then we put integration. Because we have many slices, so we put one, this is one slice and put many slices here that we put the integration sign here. And this is equal to the, this is the total weight of the shape. And this is the centroid. Okay, should I put colors like this? I think it's easier to show. Okay, so if we consider many slices, so that we will take this thing, we will take this and put it into here, and then we add an integration sign here. So how do we do this? How do we go on? So we put the right here and we put it. Of course, first of all, x dw is equal to rho dx squared dx, which is equal to this one, which is equal to this thing. And we go on with, so should we do the integration from where to where? Because for this shape, for this triangle, it only goes from x is equal to 0 to where? To x equal to 1. We only go from x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So we only do integration between 0 and 1. And this is called 中文叫什么？有上下限的，中文叫定积分哈。So in English, in Chinese it's 定积分。And in English, which is called definite integral. Definite is definite integral. Of course, that we do something on the left and we do something on the right. Of course, x bar is, we don't know x bar, but we know w. W is equal to rho g times area. Area is 1/2 here. Area is 1/2 here. And for the definite integral, in case if you have forgotten, that this is how we do it, and so we put rho g squared dx here, and then the integration of x squared is x cubed divided by 3, and we put 1 here and then put 0 here, then which is equal to this one. So we put this factor here that x bar is equal to 2/3 of 2/3. So you please take a look of this part at home. And of course, I will have exercises on this. Don't worry.